Sa number 10, on page 2, pakibasa nyo nga, Colonel Espinido, yung number 10, first sentence.
Mayor Espinosa had a list of police generals and other PNP officials who received money from their group as indicated in the ledger and in the copies of cleared checks that we were able to recover from their accountant. Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Chair, because it will be very sensitive for us for Colonel Espinido to divulge the names right now. Maybe during executive session, we can ask the question and Colonel Espinido can give us the details on this. Okay yan, Colonel Espinido?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now I will go to page 3. Number 16. Colonel Espinido, pakibasa nyo nga ho yung second sentence ninyo.
I believe Chief De La Rosa was involved in the dismissal of the cases that I built up against Kirwin Espinosa, including the burying of the cases that I was building against his police protectors or cuddlers who have been receiving money from him.
Colonel, medyo mabigat din itong statement na ito. Bakit buong paniwala nyo na ito nga ho yung ginawa ni Chief De La Rosa at the time?
Your Honors, Mrs. Chair, ang pulis, pag ikaw mapahilan ng complaint sa RIAS, the RIAS will conduct an investigation
Yes.
recommending the penalty of that said police officer to the regional director. If the police involved make an appeal, it will go to NAB, National, then the Chief PNP will now decide if go or no go ang penalty na dismissal from the service sa mga na-involved na police. Sila lang ang may authority, yung RD at saka si PNP, na mag-decide na, Your Honors, ito siya i-dismiss to. Ito hindi. May kasalanan ka o wala, Your Honors.
Colonel Espinido, punta ho tayo sa page 6, doon sa affidavit ninyo. And please go to number 34. Pakibasa niyo lang po yung first sentence na sasalaysay ninyo.
From my experience, I can say that the PNP is the biggest crime group in this country, Your Honors.
Is that true?
Yes, Your Honors.
Mabigat, Colonel, itong salaysay na ito, ha? I will not ask you the names now, pero sa executive session na rin. Are you saying all of this because malapit na po kayo mag-retire sa serbisyo?
Yes, Your Honors.
And you seem to be so displeased. Hindi ho kayo naging masaya sa mga panghitabo ba? Sa mga pangyayari?
Yes, Your Honors.
What do you plan to do upon retirement? Ano ang gusto ninyong gawin for your community, sa simbahan ninyo, for your people?
To continue siguro, Your Honor, sa pag-evangelist. Tapos na ako sa trabaho as a public servant, then yun naman ang sa Panginoon ko, because in Matthew chapter 6 verse 33 it says that seek ye first the kingdom of God and His righteousness, and all of these things shall be added unto you. Yun ang gawin ko, Your Honors, if God's will. Mag-missionary lang. Your Honors, ang pulis lang talaga ang magsulba sa lahat ng problema. Walang kasali, hindi kasali ang mga elected officials. Only the police, because we have the power mandated by laws to implement the law without fear or favor. That is our mission, to maintain and prevent, to serve and protect. Yun lang sana, Your Honors, ang police isinasabuhay yung mission at saka yung core values na pro-God, God-fearing, hindi tumatanggap ng pera. Matapos yung problema ng drugs